Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to talk about both the significance and the meaning behind the Kurdish flag and the Peshmerga. To start off, I'm going to talk about what the Peshmerga is and what it means. The Peshmerga is the official internal Kurdish military force and was founded on December 17, 1945. The exact translation for the word Peshmerga is those who face death in order to protect their country. Peshmerga is a symbol of resilience of a nation who is deprived the right of statehood in its own homeland and forcefully incorporated into four states: Iran, Iraq, Turkey and Syria, since the beginning of the 20th century. However, on a happy part, the part of Kurdistan called Bashur is now free and recognized globally as Kurdistan regional government. The Kurdish nation has been subject to forced assimilation and cultural and physical genocide by these four states. Still, the Kurdish people have managed to survive and protect their dignity. This is all thanks to the Peshmerga. In order to pay our respect, every year we come together to celebrate their sacrifices and to recognize how strong, brave and resilient the Peshmerga really is. To top up on this topic of the Peshmerga, I would like to talk about the Allah of Kurdistan. Allah meaning the flag in which us Kurds belong to and what it means to us. The Kurdistan flag consists of four colors. Red being the first symbolizes the blood of the martyrs who have perished in the continuous struggle for freedom. The white in the middle represents the peace and equality of the nation. The sun in the middle represents a source of life and light of the people. The sun is also an ancient symbol that consists of 21 sunbeams representing March 21st, Kurdish New Year, Nowruz. The last color being green symbolizes Kurdistan's beautiful nature. Our beautiful and meaningful flag is only with us today because of the hard work and bravery of the Peshmerga who have fought to keep it high. Hopefully, just as Bashur is now free and recognized globally, the part of Kurdistan called Rojava can also be considered Kurdistan and independent in quick and no time due to the recent fall of the Assad regime. Thank you all for listening.
BK4 ستایلی نوێ بەرنامەی جوان خزمەتی باش دەنگ و ڕەنگی کوردانی تاراوگە